No. Who do you have a crush on, Courtney? Me? Oh, I'm just kidding. That'd be weird.
Mitzi Bruce Kyle.
Whoever that is.
He's a skateboarder.
Well, that looks cool.
Kinda. Rolling pessimistic.
I can't tell the one who I like. That'd be weird. No. They don't know. What?
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 Are you recording?
In the butt. I said what? What?
Are you recording? If you
No.
are, then they know what they know what
You're really weird.
Hot.
I might live right there soon.
Maybe.